Kasi gusto ko magkape. Guys, we are unboxing right now in the morning, Wednesday morning here in Tinambakan in the Philippines. Both of my sisters are awake and my husband and I sleep 5 hours I think last night.
I slept more than that.
My husband he slept more than that. He was so tired coming from the restaurant when we ate. He was already sleeping na scene, you know, when we were driving home.
I had a full belly.
Yeah. He's got a full belly. Look how big are those windows, guys. It's really nice here. Early this morning is nice. Itambak na to ni ang mga bado. Put all the clothes in her, daddy, so we can sort it out. My sister. Huh?
The computer thing.
Oh, kanubil. Yan na ng laptop. Pag mag-travel siya. Ang laptop yan. Laptop yan ni Jimmy. Lagyan na sa laptop. Ado yan mga uniform ko. Babalik ko yan. Kan maisuot ko na. Magkasya na sa akin yan. Kaya hindi ko yan naisuot. Ibalik ko yan. Ilagay ko yan sa isang bagahe. Karambaha.
It's a little iPad case.
That's for the tablet.
One of the kids.
Yeah, from the tablet. Ihatag kan iton kan tawag sini sa mga bata either kan
What are these?
Sansi. Tea. That's tea.
Tea?
Oh, yeah. Give it to my sister. Kasi lahat ng mga tsaayan, sinlip, tip, tsaan naton. Tanggal ko sa box kasi, ano yan, Bin?
Scan handles.
Oh, yeah. Tsaa yan. Kasi minsan tsaangin inom ko. Guys, look. We have some more box in there needs to be unboxed. Kape. Yeah, taro. Ibutan din ang mga kape. Pangdalit. Ang mga bubble wrap diri naton ilabuga kay magamit ko itong pabalik sa Amerika magpalitak din ng mga kuan sa lubong. Sarang kung gusto ni mo caffeine free, diba? Hindi ka. Kay pan-distribute ko itong sa dinis at mga ripid. Tagko ako napalipin ka nakasilton. Yeah. Sin pag ibutang ang mga toilet paper dito kaya ato nitong supply. Yan mga toilet paper natin yan, Bin.
Here's your welcome sign that you sent.
This one.
Sa door yan.
Wallpaper, welcome.
Just put it on the door.
Doon sa front door yan.
Oops, what's in there?
I think there's nothing in there.
There's a watch in here. And there's earrings in here.
Huh? Treasure?
Yes.
Treasure. I don't.
Smile.
I forgot there's a treasure in there.
True or fake?
Let me see what watch.
Kita daw kung fake ba ang earring.
Ay, yung fossil ko na pabirot ko ito sa trabaho. Earrings? Alam mo ba yung mga earrings pala na binili ko na nasabi mo ng itom? Diring ngayon bin solid gold. Ang ibabaw laan gold.
Ang imo gipanatag sa amon.
Oo.
Nangakuan ang kasang tatatong sa
Yeah.
kanya.
Sa akin, iliob ng biskot ito ba yung palit?
Paano mo nalaman mo?
Kay, anak ko ni ko nga dako, gipadara ko dito sa kuan sa paayusan, kay palagyan ko ng clip.
Not sure what's wrong with that earring, but it's not.
Ako'y, siniring man dito ang mga jeweler nga diri ko tunay. Remember, Daddy, the whole earring that I asked you to fix it for me? It's not solid gold. It was only...
Di ba na nagsuot sa imo nga ini padala sa mga paksi?
Di ako namamali. Nakalagay
What's wrong with
14K.
that earring? I don't know what it is.
Nakalagay yun doon, 14K sa mga container. Nalugi ako. Sa loob ng biskot to binili. Hope earring itong sin? Hindi.
That's just a watch.
Maganda yan, lagyan na ng mga ano mo kasi waterproof
It's a dry
yan.
box.
Dry box, hindi mabasa ang mga iyong mga important paper. Ay, regalo inis akong kaupo sa trabaho daklat maram kung tunay ito nga gold. Hope earring yan. Hindi ko alam. Yeah. Ibutang dakan yung mga nabibing ko lang iba sa iya.
You gotta find someplace else for those shoes.
Yeah.
Pero yung dumpling.
Yeah. You gotta find someplace else to stage these shoes.
Yeah, just leave it there. Ding Ding will put it away.
This pile's gonna get huge. You need to move
We will
these
take care of that.
shoes.
Just unbox everything. Don't worry about this thing. We're gonna take care of me and my sisters.
Whatever.
Sabi sa inyo ako ng partners.
Ano? Uy, bagay sa imo, Bin. Dili masyado dako. Yeah. Bagay sa imo.
Sa inyo ako ng partners.
Pang ano natin yan ha? Pang gifting yan sa mga neighbor. Tag-usa sa usang lagyanan.
Wala ako ang personal na nagawin hindi.
We'll get these decorations.
Ang iyong mga followers na lang.
Uh-huh.
Ang iyong followers. Kapag saan mo balik ka mo.
Kuwang ka man.
Followers.
Ito nga. Tawag sini. Uy, Sin. Kuha itong bulak lang. Maggawa tayo ng flower base. Hindi ko yan ginagamit eh. Ayaw ka bara.
Sini, ma.
Ayaw ka bara ka. Kaya ako sito ang bahala sa itong mga dilata.
Ma.
Mga coffee mate. Mga coffee mate. Ako sito ang bahala.
Ay, puro na yun yung mga kuan mo.
Coffee mate.
Canned
Mhm.
goods.
Mga canned goods. Mhm.
Ay, naka-color.
I think we paid $5 or $10 at that yard sale.
Yeah.
Nice color po yan.
Uh-huh. Cooler yan. Yung light na cooler, hindi kagaya yung mga pinadala ko. Marami akong kape. Yeah. Ihilira ang mga kape dilatanan kay ihapon na itong opera ka bukili ako may padala.
Mara gadi. Mara ini mama pa makagiri na. Diri na ko kuan na.
Do not waste the paper towel that we can use to dry our hands.
Well, they've all got paper or got scotch tape across them.
Oh, that's okay.
What is that? Wine?
Wine.
Okay. Have drink.
Hindi ako nilagay yung mga wine. Bulig siya si Ton Baya Rapliwat. Kami.
Ito na reklamo si Adis ito na ito po ng mapagay. Para impake.
Kami duha ni Jim si Ton nagkuhan, nag-impake. Bulig siya.
For the effort, very packing that it is hard.
Hindi basta-basta yung magpacks.
I didn't pack it.
No, we help me wrap the...
I helped wrap it, but I
Yeah,
didn't
you
pack
help,
it.
you help wrap me. And that's already a big help. When you help me wrap the items here in the box. Yeah,
That's
What
for
is
a
this,
sugar
Kuya?
bowl.
sugar.
So they do
Ah,
sugar bowl.
sugar cover.
Yeah, the lid.
Yeah, it's the
Cover.
Where is
cover.
the...
I don't know. I haven't found it
It's
yet.
still somewhere. Andyan yan sa loob.
Adoy. Ani sini ang lawas.
Ada?
Oo. Walay may dito, walay takot.
Ah, oo. Siguro kaya nga pinadala ko yan kasi na-miss ko yan noong gibutan ko sa box. Yeah. Yeah.
Ato ilo ito.
Okay. Kasi ni said I already got the other part of that. When I put it last time.
Di mo bibi walay may dito, walay sa
Parita ko.
Sa kanan ini walay yung inikuan.
Could you pick the worst knife to hand me?
That's the only first thing I pick up. The stick knives that we sent home.
Steak knives was
Ada pa o dikap yan, Bin. Berde. Mga berde at ako puro itong dikap.
Ang dulaw man. May dulaw ka na pinamit. Dili awada man. Ito na mga dikap.
Ito ng paborito ko, Bustelo.
green lids and decaf.
Marasa ang flavor. Bustelo. We got more boxes there, guys. Yeah, see? These are the inside, guys, of my Yumak box. How many? We got 6 boxes that we have to unpack.
There's 4 big ones and 2 small ones.
4 more. But we already opened. This is the second box, right? So we got 6 big box that I already sent, ready to unbox. This is the second box, guys, that we just unboxed. And Crown Royal?
Wine
Ang Crown Royal? Ah.
and wine.
Ito niya paborito. Iya, butangan Coca-Cola. Uy, what's your glass, Daddy, before you break it? You might hit it with your... Yeah. Marasa itong butangan at 7-Up. 7-7. Ang Crown Royal.
I don't think we have any Crown Royal in here.
Bingbing si Bill still got the Crown Royal.
Oh, we
Yeah,
do?
she put it away on. The big one. Huh? They're expired ito.
Captain Morgan brought one?
Huh?
Captain Morgan brought one?
Yeah, I give it to my sister. To boy, I think, because they like rum. Ang mga wines ni here luwat. Kay akon kuan mamaya bigyan. Sini, didi butang ang mga wine kay bang pag-agi ni kiding masapi. Mabasag harayos pintuan.
Yung baka nagtubig siya
Nabasag. Daddy, sini si the wine looks like is there's leaking. Did it open? Let me see.
Yeah, there's liquid in here on the bottom.
Pisahan.
It's still sealed. Yeah, it's still sealed. Yeah, that's still sealed. That's still sealed. My sister said we can start drinking wine now.
It's really, look at the, laibanan.
Yeah. Baka na natawag sini na
May court,
heroes, ha?
May court.
Waray panda. Ako.
I don't know that I would drink from a bottle that had a leak.
That means it's not good to drink.
It's supposed to be refrigerated.
Ha? Oh, butang na. Oh, niyan nala. Niyan nala. Kay magreklamo ito yung wari pakit mo man.
Paper towels here got where they've absorbed it.
Hindi ba mga box may kapalat sa ito mga kape maray na?
May ada pa dida. May ada pa itong dida. Diri la ito. An kuan an tawag sila
yellow.
an ito nga mga kuan coffee meat may dapak sa tunduan.
Ang original, very good access. Okay, very good. Barat siya. Bro. Uy, strawberry.
Marasa ito sin ana strawberry flavor.
Wala man kayo sa Baguio ng mga color. Ay, oo, nag-ibig, di ba dalawa kami sa isa kumpanya?
Siniurong lang ding ilipot pa ni Bika isa. Hindi ako naruyag sa akong buhok. Ayaw sa akong ibutang. Dito la banda.
Diba dito nila?
Ha? O sige, dito na lang.
Galing dito.
Kay sa akong likod na kuan na tama. We are doing unboxing, guys, on all the boxes that I sent home last year. So far, these are all the goodies, the groceries, and we have 4 more boxes in there and 2 small ones that we have to open here at the house.